everyone, I'm your host Stephanie Essen, and this is OneAPI Dev News. Here are your OneAPI highlights for April from Intel. The winners of the OneAPI Great Cross-Architecture Challenge have been announced. With entries from 52 countries, these developers used OneAPI to create fast, efficient, future-ready applications that take full advantage of CPUs, GPUs, FPGAs, and other accelerators. The winning student submissions receiving the internship award include Rafael Campos and Andrew Pestrello. The professional developers receiving the opportunity to take a special tour of CERN include Ricardo Nombre, Jin Zhu, and Eugenio Marinelli. We'd like to extend a huge congratulations to the winners. You can explore the winning projects and learn more about these OneAPI heroes by following the link provided. Join us for the first OneAPI Developer Summit at IWACL 2021 on April 26th. The conference is focused on OneAPI and Data Parallel C++ for accelerated computing across XPU architectures. That's CPU, GPU, FPGA, and other accelerators. In this one-day virtual conference, you will hear from industry and academia speakers working on innovative cross-platform, multi-vendor architecture solutions developed on OneAPI. You'll also get a chance to dive into a hands-on session where you'll learn and apply optimizations in order to fully exploit device capabilities on CPUs and GPUs. Check out the links provided to register for the OneAPI Developer Summit at IWACL 2021 and to learn more about the conference agenda. Finally, we have a helpful OneAPI optimization guide. Each section focuses on different topics to guide you along the way, and the Intel OneAPI toolkits provide the languages and development tools you will use to optimize your code. This includes compilers, debuggers, profilers, analyzers, and libraries. Remember that the links for these stories are in the description, so follow each one to find out more, and also take a moment to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when the next OneAPI Dev News is out. Thanks for watching.